the names of the people whom you aided and abetted in tax evasion.
Well, Mr. Chairman,
let me just ask you about Swiss laws, too, by the way. Have you urged the Swiss government to change the laws to allow disclosure of U.S. government names, of U.S. customers' names? Have you urged the Swiss government to change the laws?
We have actually worked at all levels within Switzerland, certainly with the government, with regulators, and also have been very public about our support for increasing the ability for transparency. As we've said, we are...
That's not my question.
If I may step
My
in,
question is,
Chairman,
Credit
yes.
Suisse urged the Swiss government publicly to change the law so that you can turn over the names of your customers that you had prior to 2009.
Chairman, we have absolutely the same goal.
No, not the same goal. It's a very specific question. Have you urged the government to change the law so that you can cooperate with us so that we can collect taxes that are owing to us?
Yes, we have.
Yes.
And
Yes, we have.
to change the law so that you can provide us those names?
Yes, we have done that.
that.
We have encouraged them. We've done it publicly. We have supported that goal. Yes.
That's good. Now, and you're saying other banks have not? No. Not the goal, because the goal can be achieved in the eyes of some through a treaty which gives us bits and pieces, not names. What the new treaty does is say, we're not going to give you the names. We're going to tell you generally what accounts were transferred to what other banks, and then you can go to those other banks. And then the parliament in Switzerland changes the law to say, under that new treaty, you're going to have to show that the bank that has received that account somehow or other worked with and is guilty also of aiding and abetting. That is a very difficult burden. So you can talk about the new treaty, and we hope it gets ratified. But its value is very, very limited. It is loopholes in it, which will be used, I am sure, by banks to avoid ponying up the names. Now, I want to ask you this question, not goal.